Hello beautiful people, this is Nandini Anand. Welcome to my channel Fashion and Lifestyle. Hey guys, what's up? Today in my video I am going to show you how to convert your skirt into a dress instantly without stitching. So you must have been wearing the skirt with various tops and you would have got bored of wearing it, and supposing you want to go for a party and you want to shop for that and there is no time to shop, you can wear your skirt like a dress. It looks gives a very nice party wear look or cocktail party look if you just wear it like a dress. So you can instantly wear it like a dress and go for the party. So this is a very nice idea to actually wear, convert your skirt into a dress and give it totally a different look. And at this end of this video I also have a surprise where I have actually converted the skirt into a dress in a different style. So there are two parts of this video, so let's get this video started. This is a floral print net black skirt. The fabric is graded into pleats. So I am converting this into a skirt using a red belt. Since the skirt fabric has self pleats, the outcome comes out very nice when you actually wear a belt and convert it into a dress. Just take a look. So guys, you can see this is like a bustier dress and you can hardly make out that this was a skirt before. It's truly angelic and appealing. You can easily manage to wear this for a party. The only thing you need to take care is you need to wear a silicone strap braziers or a strapless brazier. I'm also wearing a black statement necklace and it's really going well with this outfit. This is a chiffon printed tulle skirt. It has a white floral print on this. So I'm going to convert this into a dress wearing a silver metal belt. Since the skirt is a lightweight chiffon fabric, the fall of the dress has really come out well. It's giving a very graceful look for the entire outfit. And the white metal belt makes the dress look more stunning. So my next skirt is a polka dot synthetic skirt. You would have seen this in my previous video also. Here I am going to convert this skirt into a dress using a red belt. Elastic on the waistline also had a sash. So the sash is now on the bust line and it is really looking very cute. I am also adding a sleeveless denim vest. Since this is a polka dot, I thought if I would add a denim, it would give a casual look. So this is another look which you can try. You can try this during the daytime also. The skirt has enough flare. So now converted into a dress, it is adding more charm to the entire dress. It looks really very adorable. With or even without the jacket, the dress really looks very appealing. Try this look for a birthday party, it really goes well. Since this is a polka dot dress, it really looks very cute for a birthday party. The sash on the bust line is adding more charm for the entire dress. And now for the surprise, you can see that I'm wearing a straight fit net skirt here. I was not quite happy with the fit, so I converted it into a dress. So this was a dress I was referring to. So you can see the skirt fabric. It's the same skirt fabric which I showed in the picture. It's the same skirt. It was a gathered skirt, a long skirt. So once the gathers were removed, there was enough fabric to make a A-line dress. So I made a knee-length A-line dress, and I also added a embroidered fabric. You can take a close look of the embroidered fabric. So this is what I added. Same peach color embroidered fabric. I have given a lining for this. So I have given a peach color lining for this. You can see the lining, so that I get the same color what is there on the skirt. I can match the same color on the yoke. So I have given a silk lining for this. So this is the dress. I have also given a sash in the silk fabric which I have used underneath. So I'll show you the closer look of this dress. So this was my today's video. Hope you enjoyed it, and I'm sure you're also going to convert your skirts into a dress in this way I showed it today. And stay tuned with Fashion and Lifestyle. Please do subscribe to my channel, and please do click on the bell icon to receive notification on my new videos. Thank you. Take care. Bye.